How to fix Facebook not working on iPhone iOS 18. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix Facebook not working on your iPhone running iOS 18. If Facebook is crashing, freezing, or not loading properly, don't worry, I've got some easy troubleshooting tips to help you get things back on track. First, make sure both your Facebook app and iOS are up to date. To check for updates, go to the App Store for Facebook updates and to Settings, General, Software Update for iOS. If everything is up to date, try restarting your iPhone by powering it off and back on. If that doesn't fix the issue, you may need to delete and reinstall Facebook, as this will clear the app's cache. Simply press and hold the Facebook app icon, tap Remove App, and reinstall it from the App Store. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or try refreshing your connection by toggling airplane mode on and off. If that doesn't help, you can reset your network settings by going to Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. Just remember that this will reset your Wi-Fi passwords. Additionally, it's possible that Facebook's servers might be down, so you can check this using sites like Down Detector or by looking at social media for reports. I hope one of these solutions worked for you. If it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting advice. Thanks for watching.